I'm sure you've heard the news. DIY is all the rage, but have you ever considered the artisanal edge? Let's break it down. DIY projects can be super satisfying and creative, but let's be real. Not everyone has the time, skills, or materials. On average, DIYers spend 6-10 hours on just one project. For the busy bees out there, this just isn't practical. Enter Handmade. Artisans at Craftify.cc pour their heart and soul into each piece. We're talking high-quality, unique items that mass production can't touch. Plus, when you buy Handmade, you're supporting small businesses and local economies. And let's not forget sustainability. Handmade often means eco-friendly and ethical. Unlike mass-produced goods, handmade items are crafted under fair working conditions. Customization? Oh, absolutely. Handmade items can be tailored to your exact needs, making them extra special. So why not choose artisanal? Head over to Craftify.cc and explore beautifully crafted, one-of-a-kind treasures. Visit Craftify.cc today and discover the value of choosing handcrafted over mass-produced.